So, everybody's seen Doja Cat's Fashion Week looks, and who is not inspired by her red diamante look? I'm sorry, but nobody works faster than a makeup artist with inspiration. Nobody. Like, convince me I'm wrong, because I'm not. But I'm going to change it up a bit. I wanted to do her look, but everybody's going to do her look. And not only that, I don't want to get a sensitive sticker warning on TikTok. No, not again. So, because it's red and they'll think it's blood, but it's not. So I'm doing iridescent. I'm going to turn myself into a big giant disco ball, and I'm going to time lapse you through it with me. I'm not going to need to talk. It's not going to be a talking one. I'm just going to stick around 13,000 diamantes on my face, neck and chest.
Wait, what?
Great. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. So in true Holly Marie makeup style and fashion, the school PRITT stick, I'm going to glue my brows down first, and then I'm going to gel my hair back and put a bald cap on. So I'll show you how I apply my bald cap. So I'm teaching you something this tutorial. I have my bald cap, which I made, and I'm sure I've got a tutorial up on here just on my shorts, but if you want like a full length one, I can make you one. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I can make you a tutorial. I'm going to use the Got To Be Glued Ultra Glued just to flatten all my hair so it's as flat as it can physically be to my head before I do anything else. So now that my hair is successfully slicked back, I'm going to take my bald cap like so. Oh my gosh. And then I'm going to adjust just so it's tight enough for it to be snug, but not too tight that it's gonna tug our skin and drive us absolutely feral. What I will do now that I know that it fits and it's snug and it's happy, I will pull it up like this. Ooh, just be careful not to rip it. We'll put Prozade just along my hairline. Oh my gosh, I nearly spilt it everywhere. Prozade hates me. Every time I use it, I pour it all over my desk. Prozade, I get mine from the Makeup Armory online, but you can get yours from anywhere. It's great. It's medical safe adhesive for skin. It's water based. It's good stuff. Like, it sticks everything. But you do need remover. You can't just use anything to get this off, so you do need the like remover that you can buy with it. I don't know what that's called, but I'll put it in the description, the remover. But yeah, Prozade. So I'm just taking a little bit of that on a Q-tip, and I'm going to just put it round the circumference of my head, let that dry slightly, and then I'm going to stick it down. Then after that we will cut round like the edges and stuff. Top has been changed because Doja had to go extra and do all of her chest. I'm just going in with white paint on my big egg head now. One, so between the jewels. Let me think if I've done this the right way. Yeah. So one between the jewels. There's not going to be any gaps of like this latex colour, and two, there is any gaps at like the back of my head where I can't really reach or see. They won't be as noticeable as they would if I didn't put like a colour down. So yeah, base colour going down, but the jewels are going to be stuck on a layer of latex first. One, because it might be easier for the removal, and two, because who doesn't love a ASMR bejeweled makeup removal when you're peeling layers of latex off your face? So yeah, I will speed through the next few steps as I bedazzle myself with 13,000 jewels. I've got these, and then I've got more down here as well. First one. It's been 27 hours. Yeah. I didn't think it would take 27 hours. I really didn't. But here we are. And it's still not quite finished. So I think I'm going to do... I've got no sleep. So I'm going to start talking really weird now because I've had no sleep. So sleep deprivation is really like kicking in. All I can feel is crystals falling off. I'm losing my mind. So I do need to go to bed like ASAP. So, let me move these diamonds before I knock them off. There's not many left. I started with 13,000 and I wouldn't even like to guess how many I've got left, but not many. So yeah, we're going to round it up to about 13,000. It's because they were like tiny, teeny tiny. And the biggest ones that I had were like that big. Biggest, smallest. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Like that shiny wrapping paper you can get for kids' parties. Take the Snitchery. Oh yeah, Colourpop and Snitchery collab. The black pencil is so good. In the waterline. I popped some lashes on. I used the Serenu FX. Popped them on and that's it. It's done. In an ideal world, if this look hadn't taken as long as it did, I'd have done something to my hand and done like, and been like Vogue. But no, instead I've put some press-ons on and you're probably going to get a shot of me like tapping my face and stuff. So yeah, I'll take some pictures and I'll show you the finished look. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this very random speed through tutorial of how to turn yourself into Doja Cat Fashion Week. If you want to see any makeup looks or if you want to see any content from me, any videos, let me know. Talk to me. We'll start a discussion. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you next time.